In this video, we'll cover your iPad's home screen and organizing your apps. Let's start with something really basic. To view apps on other pages of your home screen, just swipe to the left and swipe to the right to return to your previous pages. From your home screen, swipe to the right to access what's called Today View, where you'll find things like weather, headlines, information from various apps, and more. Want to customize your Today View? Click on this Edit button down here to get started. And to leave Today View, just tap on a blank area of the screen or swipe to the left. Now let's look at how to move an app to another page. I'm going to come down here to tap and hold the app I want to move. Keep holding until the app icons jiggle, then drag your app to its new location. And let go when it's where you want it. Then, tap any empty area on the screen when you're done arranging your apps. It can be really helpful to add apps that you frequently use to the dock at the bottom of your screen. To do that, tap and hold on the app you want to move. Keep holding until the app icons jiggle, then just drag your app down to the dock and let go. To remove an app from your dock, just press and hold it until the app icons jiggle, then drag the app and drop it any place on your screen. You can also organize your apps by grouping them in folders. Simply tap and hold an app until the app icons jiggle, then drag it on top of another app to make a folder. Now, I'll tap on the folder to open it, and I'm going to come up here and click this X to change the folder's name. When I'm done, I'll tap on a blank part of the screen to close the folder. Your iPad search feature can be a real time saver. To access it, just swipe down anywhere on the home screen, except for the very top of the screen. That's for something else. I'm going to type the name of an app, and when I see the app I want, I'll just tap to open. You can also use search for things like unit conversions. In addition to searching your iPad, search will bring you results from the internet, mail, maps, and more. You can view your notifications at any time just by swiping down from the top center of your screen. Surprisingly, I don't have any notifications right now, so I'll just swipe back up to close the notification screen. Since restarting your iPad fixes a lot of problems, we recommend that you shut it down at least once a week. To power off your iPad, just press and hold either volume button along with the top button until the power off slider appears. Then just drag the slider to power down. From time to time, your iPad might simply stop responding and won't shut down normally. When this happens, it's time for a force restart, sometimes called a force reset. To force restart, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series.